Today we want to learn how to add threadline to a chart, and it's really simple task. We have to just select our chart, press this green plus sign, and from chart elements just choose threadlines, and we can see that the first threadline is linear, but we have some more option to create threadlines. Let's start with this simple solution, and then we see that in my case the threadline is the same color as our columns, so it's no. So let's just click one stack. So we have select threadline, Control 1, and we can see we can change our threadlines options, our function that is calculate our threadline, and the linear for this case is definitely the best. And we want to change colors, so bucket, and let's choose just black one should be fine. And now I can see my threadline over the columns, and it's enough. So we can also Control 1 once again in options. We can even add equations and some statistical information, R² information if you like statistic, if you want some mathematical equations. Here add to Excel. If you don't, just delete this additional information and we just have our threadline. And it's important, threadline don't work with all charts, but the most common, so column chart, and we can go to Insert tab and change our chart type into line chart, and we can still see our threadline.